Yeah, 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 yeah. Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Random. Welcome back to another digital plan with me. And today I'm going to be planning on a week on 2 pages layout. This is not a layout I typically use. Just because, I mean, it's not structured, so it's a bit of a challenge, but I do want to use it. And I don't have a whole lot going on, so it'll give me some flexibility to play with this layout. I'm going to be using this kit I got from Etsy, and it's called the Thankful Fall Kit. And I just thought the colors and the stickers were so pretty. I love the green. I told y'all this season I have been loving green. So I found a kit that fit my taste. And I just love the stickers. I like the days of the week. I'm going to be using those. I thought I had them in different colors, like this lighter green, but that's okay. We'll stick with that. And then they have these boxes. So this kit really is useful for any layout. They're just really cute. I like these cinnamon sticks. I like those yellow and orange together. So pretty. So yeah, this is the kit I'm going to be using. I really love this sticker, so I want to use that one too. So yeah, this is going to be a watch me work style video. So sit back, relax, and watch me plan out my week.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all
All right, y'all, this is what I have for the week. So I did a full planner. I put all my plans or all my basic plans in here, just so I don't have to come back to it during the week. I probably still will because as you can see, I still have some open spaces like activities for the weekend, meals for the week. I put here. Just because I didn't want to put meals, have too much to look at every single day. Which would work. Like I could have did a third sticker and put like beef with rice on Tuesday, but I could put the meals here, and then I could just kind of cherry pick what I want to make for the week, day by day. And for the weekend, we were thinking about doing apple picking this weekend. But I'm not sure what everybody's schedule, like my sisters, my mom, everybody. So that's still up in the air, but I still wanted to do like a nice sticker for the weekend, just, so whatever activities I have going on, I could plug them in throughout the week as we're planning. I can say for this sticker kit, I'm going to link it down below, but it was a very difficult kit to work with. Let me just show you. So let me use the lasso tool. This is, I guess together, but like, as you can see, the hearts move. But the backing doesn't move. You have to select it all together. And, then you'll get the whole entire sticker. I didn't know that. So when you're in the lasso tool, you can either tap the sticker and pick up the whole thing, typically. So like for instance, this one is a full sticker. But when you come to these guys, the squares and the backing are separate. So I didn't care for that too much. I like it because it gives you more flexibility on what to use, but at the same time, if you're not used to, if that's not the industry standard, like on Etsy with digital stickers, when you create a sticker like this, it's typically the whole thing. From the kits I purchased, this is the first seller where, if you have a layered sticker, the layers are by themselves. So, I mean, it's a good and a bad for me. I'll probably buy another sticker kit from this seller. I'll link it down below, but it was very funny to work with. And then when I came to my planner, it was difficult for the stickers to move. When I was doing the bullets, I used the square stickers as a bullet, and as you can see, once I get them down and I stop working with it, I can't pick the sticker back up. So I literally have to move this one out the way, and then, no, not even. I can't even select it. So, yeah, that's something to think about when you look at this particular seller. But I like the way it came out. As I said, the week on 2 pages is definitely not my favorite and definitely not my strong suit, but it still came out very pretty. I really love the layering over here. I love the layering over here, and y'all see, like last week I also did kind of like a shifted way to lay down a sticker. I've been loving the playfulness of, you know, not laying the stickers just straight on. And I enjoy doing this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I